Thanks to Videac tool for sending me over this battery tester BT500. And if you are looking for one tool to test any battery or charging system, this is it. It can test any kind of car battery, whether it's in car or out of the car. And it doesn't even have to be car battery. You can also test all kinds of batteries, whether it is for car, bike or even a boat. And then you also can do charging tests, so you can also test your alternator. First I tried it on a couple of old batteries I have in garage. I am sure that these black batteries are bad, and then the gray one might be good, we will see. So I started with my first battery, and this battery tester doesn't use its own battery. It is using power directly from tested battery or system. All you have to do is just connect the leads, select type and size of battery. This you will find directly on the battery itself, and then the battery tester will give you results. Very easy. Other than voltage and other electrical parameters, it will also give you SOH, which is state of health, so this you don't want to have low percentage, and then SOC, which is state of charge. For this, if you have low percentage, it might be that battery is just low on charge, and then it will tell you if the battery is good or bad, or you just need to recharge. And actually, one of the very few OBD2 scanners, I know this is not OBD2 scanner, but I mostly test scanners, and this is like first one when I actually find useful user manual. There isn't any unnecessary fluff, all is straight to the point, and you got also all the results explained. Here is on this page. You can have good battery, good but needs recharging, which is, check this, SOH, so state of health is high, 99%, but state of charge is low, so it is good battery, but it is just low on charge. Then we have replace, meaning the battery is going bad, and bad cell, which means battery is bad already and you need to replace. And then not only for battery test, but for every function, you got really detailed instructions and also explanation on what to read from the results you measured. Very good user manual, it will help you with all the features. So now we know this first battery is bad. Then to show you example of good battery, I tested this Skoda Rapid. And here you can see the battery came out good according to this tester, which is true because I drove this car for 2-3 days and never had any problem with battery or starting. Then back to my old batteries, I tried another one which was also bad. And then the gray battery, which I expected it might be good. I got result of replaced battery, so it is probably bad now. Now we don't have to just blindly trust this tester. I tried hooking up this battery to my Kango. There isn't any battery inside, so I just use jumper cables, so I don't have to install battery. And I planned on filming the cranking test, but since the battery was already bad according to this scanner, as expected, I was not able to get vehicle running. But at least we know that we can trust this BT500 tester with its results. And then I also have here my Corolla. Now when I try to test battery installed in car, tester asked me to turn on lights for 10 seconds, then turn them off, continue, and I got this result of good battery. They also let you capture waveform of battery voltage, and then in the manual you have full guide on how to interpret those waveforms. So one more time, one of the very few actually useful manuals we can find in these diagnostic tools. You can record your battery checks, your waveforms, and then transfer this data to your laptop using USB-C cable and print them out if you want. So overall, very useful battery and alternator testing tool. And when we are diagnosing your car problems, they often can be caused by faults in your charging system. So it is very convenient having a tool that can quickly test this system for you. If you are interested to buy it, I will put link in description.